We're on our way to meet up with J-Lo.
No, we're actually on our way to see the Mother movie premiere with J-Lo in it.
She's supposed to be there. Let's find out if she's there. We have 10 minutes until check-in closes. Hopefully we make it. We're always late. We're always late to everything. We are, Fab's on the red carpet of Mother.
It's a black carpet, actually.
It's a black carpet, and she's unbothered. Premieres always have free popcorn and drinks, which is the best part to the premiere. We're waiting for the movie to start.
This movie was a very kind of special movie in that I felt like during it, I kind of grew up as a mom. My kids were just becoming teenagers, and it was something that I was thinking about, because this character was learning in a way how to be a mom to this child that she didn't raise from the time she was a baby. And so it was a beautiful kind of experience to have both of those things going on in my personal life and then in my work life. I don't think it was a mistake. But we had such a great time doing this movie. It was very difficult. I had to learn how to fight and shoot and all that kind of stuff. But we also were, like Nikki said, in the cold. But I couldn't have thought of a better group of people to be in the cold. But I am not cold. I'm a July baby. I like it hot. I like to sleep in the hot. I like to sweat. That's what I like. But we had an amazing crew and an amazing cast, an amazing director, amazing producers. Really, you can't say that about every single movie. Sometimes they're more challenging than others. But this one really was a joy to work on. And working with Lucy, all the actors, but Lucy and I, Lucy who played my daughter in the movie, really were out there in the cold and doing so much together, and I really had an amazing time. Lucy, stand up, sweetie. This is Lucy Lopez. She did an amazing job, as you will see in the movie. I won't talk too much. I want to thank you guys all for being here.
We are out of the Mother movie premiere. What did you think?
I know my friends are not little girls.
It was good.
She was there.
It was good.
It's new for J-Lo. It wasn't like a cheesy love movie, so it was a refreshing movie for J-Lo.
Yes, it was good. I would definitely watch it when it comes out on Friday.
Yeah, watch Mother.